So hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about a new great TRX earning platform, and the name of the platform is TRX.com, and it is based on the concept of Tron smart contract. Its data exchange completely relies on the P2P support model, full assurance of the trustworthiness of who is exchanging information, whether it is an intermediary, an individual or a company. Tron provides you with the world's first open source decentralized data exchange service system. The biggest advantage of our project is that with your marketing and promotion of Tron, the speed of profit will also follow the data exchange increase with the increase in quantity. So what is the profit principle of Tron chain and why should you choose Tron chain? The answer is that we have long-term stability and competitiveness that allows you to get a 300% return on your investments. So guys, you'll find the link of the website in the description, and once you click on the link, you see such interface, and over here you first need to register, and for registration you'll give your email address, your login password, security password. The invitation code here will be already filled because you have clicked my link. So first I will complete all this process and I will get back to you guys. So as you can see that I have registered here successfully, and here you can see the latest announcements like their official legal white paper, which is a great thing. Having a legal white paper means that this company is legally verified and documented, which is a great deal actually. We all know that. And here you can see the Telegram customer service. So if you're facing any sort of problem regarding using the website, you can contact them to Telegram, and you can message them on Telegram and they will help you out. And here you can see the Telegram channel and also their email address. So it's a great website actually. They provide you all the information just right in front of you guys. And here you can see some more details about the website. You can just simply read it out, and here you simply click on the close button, and as you can see that I have 5,000 TRX in my account as a sign up bonus, which is a great thing. Like, you don't have to do anything, you just need to register over here and you will get 5,000 TRX in your account as a sign up bonus. And I personally love this feature because it's just completely free, and here you will also get the option of language, like so many language options out there. So if you're comfortable in any other language other than English, you can select those languages over here. So it is also a very good thing because so that everyone can use. So like if you're comfortable in Spanish or Dutch or French or Italian or Portuguese, you can select those languages from here also. And here you can see the notification button. In the notification you will get your all latest announcements over here, like all the latest announcements over here. So if there is any sort of latest announcements in the website, they will notify you previously only. And here you can see the customer support button. Here you can simply click over the customer support button, and after clicking over the customer support button, you can message them here, and if you can ask them anything and they will help you out. So it's a great platform actually. And here you can see some more features like deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app and logout. And here you'll get two types of account, one is basic account and one is promotional account. And here you can see join to be a Tron millionaire, all the details over here. And here you can see the platform data display, the total profits they've generated so far, and the total number of members they have so far. Like both the numbers are pretty huge numbers out there. And in the about us section we can see some basic details about the website. You can just simply read it out. And the global partners are WazirX, CoinDCX, Genesis, Mining, Coin, Mint, Bitman and Binance, like huge companies out there. So it's a very genuine and trusted website. And here if I simply go to the trading option, in the trading you can see that currently there is nothing written over here, but actually trading means that you will earn raw profit from here, which is a great thing, and there will be a percentage. You don't need to be worried about that. And to understand this percentage thing, you have to click on the VIP level button. Here you can see different VIP level like VIP 1, 2, 3, 4 and SVIP. So you will get the mining income according to the TRX you have deposited in the website. For example, like if you have done a deposit of between 5 to 30,000 TRX, then you'll get a income of 5%. That is the cloud mining or trading income of 5% every day basis. It's an everyday basis thing. And like if you get 5% of cloud mining means that if you have deposited 100 TRX, then you'll get 5 TRX as a profit, just like raw profit on everyday basis. And you can do a daily withdrawal of 3%. And like if you have done a deposit of more than 30,000, between like 30,000 and 1 to 1 lakh, then you will get a cloud mining order income of 6%, which is a great thing. It's a great feature actually. In VIP 3 you will get 7%, in VIP 4 you will get 8%, and in SVIP you will get 10%, which is a huge quantity. We all know that. So it's a great feature. You just need to do a deposit over here, and after that you will earn raw profits, which like it's a great thing because here you don't have to do anything. Just sit back and relax at your home and chill, and you will earn raw profit just by sitting at your home. And it's a 24-hour thing, so after every 24 hour you can collect your profit. And here in the rebate you can see all the rebate like level 1, 2, 3, all the VIP level, and basically it's an invitation thing. And if I face any sort of problem, you can simply click over the customer service button, and I've already shown you how things works over here. And here if you simply click on the share button, in the share you'll get your own referral link. You can just simply copy the link, and after copying the link you can share this link to anyone through different social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and many more. And if anyone joins through your link, you will get a commission, and that's the best part of the website. And to understand this commission thing more properly, you simply click on the mine button, and after clicking on the mine button you simply click on the team option. The team option, you can see that actually there is total of 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3, and in each and every level you will get a commission. It is such a deep rooted thing. In level 1, all those members those got invitation directly from you will be level 1. In level 2, all those members those got invitation from level 1 members will be level 2, and in level 3, all those members those got invitation from level 2 members will be level 3. And in each and every level you will get a commission. In level 1 you will get 12% of commission, in level 2 you will get 5% of commission, and in level 3 you will get 3% of commission, which is a great percentage. And from here also you'll be easily able to earn a lots of TRX. And here you can see different app services like team, financial record, transfer to basic, share, notification, logout, modify login password, modify security password, set Google authenticator, like so many options out there. And now I'm going to show you how you can do a deposit over here. So for deposit, you simply click on the deposit button, and after clicking on the deposit button you simply copy the address, and after copying the address you need to go to the wallet that you use. Like I personally use Tron Link Pro. You can use any other wallet, that's not a big deal actually. As you can see that currently I have 1112 TRX, and I will do a recharge of 100 TRX over there. So for doing that I will simply click on the send button, and after that I will paste the receiving account address over here, and then the balance I will simply put 100, and after that I will simply click on the send button. So as you can see that 100 TRX has been successfully deducted from my wallet account and has been transferred in my website account. So I will simply go back to the website, and after coming back to the website you simply click on the recharge complete button, and after clicking on the recharge complete button you have to wait for a few minutes, like 1 and 2 minutes, and you will get your TRX successfully in the website account. So as you can see that 100 TRX has been successfully transferred in my website account. As you can see that previously in TRX deposit quantity it was 0, and currently it is 100 TRX. So I have received the TRX successfully in my website account, and with the help of this trading and share feature you'll be easily able to earn a lots of TRX from here. And here in the trading now you can see that it is 5% because I have done a deposit of 100 TRX, which is between 5 to 30,000 TRX. So my cloud mining is currently 5%, and I've already explained you how all these things works. And in the team also you can see that the total of 3 level 1, level 2, level 3. So you just need to do a recharge over here, and after that you can see the cloud mining and the trading percentage. Basically the share feature you can definitely use it. It's a great feature actually, and with the help of this trading and share feature you'll be easily able to earn a lots and lots of profit from here. It's a great platform. And now I'm going to show you how you can do a withdrawal from here. So for withdrawal you simply click on the withdrawal button. After click on the withdrawal button you can see that in my case the daily withdrawal limit is 3 TRX. So in quota I will simply put 3, and after that I need to put the wallet address over here and the security password over here. So as you can see that I have filled all the details, and here I will simply click on the confirm button. After click on the confirm button you simply copy the code, and after that you need to simply click on the open link button, because you have to verify your account once. That's just a one-time process, and you don't have to do it every time once you are withdrawing from the website. So it's not a all time or every time process. It's just a one-time process, and once you complete this process and the verification is done, then it's just like it's over. You don't have to do it every time. It's like verifying your account. So it's a very good thing because they care about your privacy and everything. So that's the reason they are doing this. So it's a very good feature, and a very simple one actually. You just need to put the code over here, and you need to message them the code, and the rest will get done by themselves only. You don't have to do anything. And after this, once they verify you simply to come back to the website, and from here now you can withdraw. And here I will simply go back to my wallet, and I will show you guys that I have received the 3 TRX successfully in my wallet account. You just need to verify your account, and after that you can do a withdrawal from here every time. Like it's just a one-time process. It's a great thing actually. So I'll simply go back to my wallet. So as you can see, the 3 TRX has been successfully received by me in my wallet account. As you can see that plus 3 TRX has been added in my wallet account successfully within 10 seconds. So it's a great website. So guys, I've shown you the withdrawal and the deposit process live. So what are you waiting for, guys? It's a great platform, and they have the legal white paper. So it's a completely safe and secure platform, and you can definitely trust this platform. And from here, you'll be easily able to earn a lots of profit. So what are you waiting for, guys? Do check it out. The link is in the description below, and register now and makes lots and lots of TRX. And definitely use this share feature, because from here you can create your own team and you'll be easily able to earn a lots of TRX. Link in the description below. Register now.